Ayo, I'm Guy, and as you know, I handle logisticals and security for Refashionista Sheri. And we're back doing troll time again because I guess we gotta, because people still aren't learning. And the interesting thing about the troll time today is it's on kind of an older video from Sheri. And the video was done in May of 2021, so that's a little while. But I guess luckily it's evergreen content. If you don't know what that is, that's like an evergreen tree. It's green all the time. It's always useful. And let's look at the comment here. It's from UWE5955. And all it says is, enemy to humanity. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, what the heck video did Refashionista Sheri put out there that would make someone call her an enemy to humanity? Well, you know what? Let's have a look at it. Vaccinated and it feels so good. Vaccinated 'cause I understood. Like wearing a mask, it protects more than myself. So go get vaccinated 'cause it doesn't hurt, but it helps. This is a person who doesn't agree with, wearing masks and vaccines and all, healthcare stuff, I'm guessing, which, fine, have those beliefs, but don't go around and spreading them and putting them all on other people. We can all believe what we want to believe. Some of us can be logical about the things we believe in, and some other people aren't logical, which is, I guess, whatever. It's human, right? It's humanity to turn a phrase from UE5955. Anyway, I don't understand, and I'm never going to understand why this was such a huge issue, and I still don't get it. Refashionista Sheri's had all the vaccines. Of course she has. She is a cancer survivor, and maybe you didn't know that, but you know what? Who cares if you didn't know that? You still don't need to go around saying mean shit and just be an asshole, right? There's no need for that. Just let people live, man. Let people live their lives. All she's doing is putting out cute and fun tutorials, DIYs, and some awesome little short videos too, just to have fun with it. Why do you gotta ruin it? I don't understand trolls. I'm never gonna understand trolls. And if you want to explain down below, feel free. But I'm still not ever gonna understand. And hopefully we won't have to do too many of these. But if we do have to, then she's got her whole staff who's there to answer, and there's a whole playlist now, and there's an epically long video even if you want to check out all the troll times, and maybe you can learn something about Refashionista Sheri, learn something about yourself, more importantly, and maybe take some of the advice that her staff here is putting out there. And you know what? Until next time, stay safe, stay well, and of course we will catch you on the zigzag. And again, stop trying to tell people what to do with their bodies. It's ridiculous. If it's not your body, you can't tell someone what to do with it.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.